Go ahead.
Hi, my name is Melissa Hicks, and I like to square down and pick the shit out of my gap in between my teeth. It's a big ass gap, I'm aware, but it lets me whistle through my teeth. It's a dandy time. I like to poke my hair like straw, like a scarecrow.
Wait, take your hair out.
Oh yeah. And it scares away all the birds. All the birds, they go flying away real fast now, because they're scared of shit of this hair. And to get my tweet because I whistle.
Do they think the gap is corn?
I think the gap is corn. You think this big teeth of mine? You think these are corn cobs? Can you see this gap between my teeth here? You see that, hey?
Can you smile? Big smile now.
I'm gonna go get me some baked beans. I hope I don't have a bad time sleeping tonight, but at least I can whistle while I work and cook those baked beans. Turn it off.